Hi folks, I hate having spare ground with nothing doing to it, so I've got this big lump of spare space, so I'm going to knock up a small 4x2 raised bed today out of some treated wood and some recycled little posts, and then we're going to fill it with some free soil which I'm going to collect from the molehills, so that should make it a lot easier. So like I said, I'm just going to make a little one, probably grow some wildflowers in it, but it'll fill this gap up, so we'll get on and give it a go. Alright then folks, that's roughly the shape it's going to be, so we'll just get on and knock a few posts in first, get this one in the right position. It's absolutely freezing today. Oh dear, just going to cut through this. I'm going to leave about 4 inches or so, so then if I want to extend it upwards I can do that. That'll do for that one. Oh god, it's so cold. I'm going to leave this membrane in for now, because what I can do is use it to keep the soil off the wood. That's about right for that. So we'll get on and knock them all up, chop it about and go and get some soil. Folks, let's chop this weed membrane down. Oh, excuse me, got myself a sharp knife now. Let's see what lurks underneath. I think there might be an old bed under here actually, because this was inside the polytunnel before I took it down. There may be some decent soil. In there. A big sheet or something, I'll take that out. Very sandy, I think, yeah, this is where I used to have me. I used to grow my carrots. This out. Right. Plenty of sand. Absolutely freezing today. They said it was 1 degree in my car. I drove up this morning. It's supposed to snow tonight. Tough stuff this. Right. So we're going to get on and dig a bit of this subsoil over before we put the molehill stuff in. And then it should be good to go. Right, we'll just give this a bit of a dig over, not too deep. It's pretty heavy stuff. It's clayey, so we're into the compacted subsoil bit. I was going to add some sand, but I don't think it needs it. You can probably hear it's quite gritty. And then we'll have a look round the field, see if we can find some molehills. Collect a bit of that, and then that'll be it. Just tip it on. Should warm me up a bit anyway. First time I've dug anything over for ages. What you could do with it really, this is very heavy stuff. That'll do. Got about 4 inches of topsoil on there. Needs screwing in again. Need some longer screws. I'm going to have a look for some molehill soil. Right then folks, be on the hunt for some molehills. There's a few here, little ones. I think we'll get them. Just get as much as I can. Good stuff. It's frozen actually, because it was frosty last night. Plenty more around the field, so just have another bit of a search, keep going. Found a big pile of them here, so I've got all this scooped up. I found some more, so I reckon I've got about 60 litres now. So we'll get it all tipped into the raised bed and see how it looks. Right, so I managed to get 2 of these big 30 litre tubs full. It's absolutely perfect stuff. Look at that. Still frozen, some of it. Absolutely fine as you like. So we'll just tip this on. No roots in it, no weeds, it's just bits of old grass, dead grass. Why? Campsite easier than digging it. Letting Mr. Moldy do it. So there's a couple of frozen bits, I'll leave those. Get this levelled off. Might even fill this right to the top, nearly. It's absolutely freezing. I'm going to get frostbite. Should have put a pair of gloves on really, shouldn't I? That'll do for that. I'll just chop this off. Just below the surface. frozen lug. Put that on later. There we have it. Another little raised bed to go at. 4x2, only small. Couldn't be easy when you've got 3 molehill soil to go at. It should be really fertile, this. So there we go. Oh, that's about it, folks. I'm going to go home and warm myself up. See you later.